Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 9, Reproduction in Animals. In this chapter, we are going to cover introduction, modes of reproduction, asexual reproduction in animals, sexual reproduction in animals, reproduction in human beings, fertilization, and development of embryo. In today's class, we are just going to cover first three topics. Introduction. So, we all know that all living organisms perform digestion, circulation, respiration, and reproduction. These processes are essential for the survival of every individual. All the organisms live for a certain period and then die. This reduces the number of individuals, and this reduced number is restored by the addition of new individual, and that is through the reproduction. Means reproduction is an essential for the survival of a species on the earth. What is reproduction? The production of new individuals by their parents is known as reproduction. Modes of reproduction. There are two modes of reproduction in animals. First, asexual reproduction. Second, sexual reproduction. First, sexual reproduction. The production of new individuals by the existing two parents. In sexual reproduction, need of two parents and by the fusion of their gametes is called sexual reproduction. Female gamete and male gamete fuse to form zygote, and that zygote develop into new individual. For example, fishes, frogs, cows, dogs, horses, and human being. They reproduce by sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. The production of new individual by single parent without the involvement of gamete. In this reproduction, no gametes are formed and zygote is also not formed. Young one only produced by a single parent, and the young one produced are the exact copy of their parent, ditto copy of their parents. For example, amoeba, hydra, yeast. These are the example of asexual reproduction. There are several methods of asexual reproduction. In animals, first binary fission, budding, fragmentation, regeneration. First, binary fission. It is very simplest method of asexual reproduction. It occurs in the unicellular organism. Binary means two. A single organism divides into two parts. So, a single parent split to form two new organisms of same kind. In binary fission, a fully grown amoeba, first of all, its nucleus lengthen, उसका size increase हो जाता है, and then two parts में nucleus divide होता है, and then उसका cytoplasm divide होता है. Then finally two daughter amoebae formed from that adult one. So here you can see in a picture a single parent amoeba, first nucleus elongated and then nucleus divided into two parts, and then cytoplasm also divides into two parts, and then finally two daughter cells are formed. You have to draw this picture, this diagram in your notebook. Next, budding. In budding, what is bud? A small outgrowth from the parent body is called bud. That when that bud grows in size, finally detach from the organism, from the parent, and that small bud, that small organism finally gradually grows into individual organism and called known as daughter hydra. That daughter hydra then after some time grows into adult organism. In this picture you can see hydra in first part. In second you can see there is a small outgrowth, and then small outgrowth increase in size, and finally detach from the parent organism. That is the new hydra. This is your homework. You have to solve these questions. You have to write answer of these questions in your notebook, or you can write answer in your worksheet. And also you have to read the page number 100, 106 and 107 of your NCERT book. Thank you.